Hello, Sunila here. Today's video I'm making mango kulfi. Ingredients I used are half cup whipping cream, half cup condensed milk, half cup boiled whole milk, a pinch of salt, saffron strands, cardamom quarter teaspoon, mango pulp 3/4 cup, crushed pistachios for topping, and kulfi mold and cups. Grind the mango slices into fine paste.
You're always wanting something more. Let your energy match the frequency.
In a mixer jar, add pureed mango 3/4 cup, cream,
You place your worth on another man's
condensed milk,
soul. Can learn to grow.
boiled whole milk, cardamom powder, a pinch of salt, saffron. I have diluted the saffron in 1 teaspoon water. Now grind this together. So the mix is ready. Now pour this mix into kulfi mold. If you don't have kulfi mold, you can use disposable cups also. Shake it and cover it with aluminium foil. Make a hole in the center. Insert the ice cream stick and freeze it overnight.
There's always something you want more of. You choose to breathe this damage. Why don't you
I'm using a mango slice for decoration.
You're on top of the world, but you fall so low. Yeah, it's like you're losing your mind. It happens every single time you choose the limelight. If it's not about yourself and it's really mental health, tell me what can't you do?
Now remove the aluminium foil.
You place your worth on another man's
Tear the paper cups to take out the kulfis.
Can learn to grow. Can you take the time?
For taking out kulfis from mold, you can keep the mold under running water for few seconds or dip it in water for few seconds. It will easily come out. So your delicious mango kulfis are ready. Garnish with crushed pistachios. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe.
So ask yourself as to what your true intentions are. You are checking yourself.